What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video, I mean. And in today's tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can buy Cardano, also known as ADA, in Coinbase. Now Cardano is the 7th largest cryptocurrency in the world by market cap. For those people who do not know Coinbase, then basically Coinbase is the crypto exchange where you guys can buy and sell crypto. And it's the world's second largest crypto exchange after Binance. So it's pretty big. So if you guys also want to sign up into Coinbase, I will leave a referral link in the description which you guys can use to sign up into Coinbase and get up to $10 bonus for signing up into it. Now with that said, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And let's start the video, shall we? So the first step is you want to come to coinbase.com and log in into your account. And then go on versus trade. Now once you go on trade, you want to search for Cardano, and the short term of Cardano is ADA. So I don't have to search for it because it's displayed over here. So I'm going to click on it. Now once I click on it, there's going to be the buy section, and over here I can enter the amount of money I want to use to buy Cardano. And after I enter the money, I can click on preview buy. Once I click on preview buy, it can show me all the tax and all the other stuff Coinbase is gonna charge me for buying Cardano on their platform. And after reviewing the charges, I can click on buy Cardano or buy ADA. Once I do that, my Cardano will be bought. So it's that easy to buy Cardano in Coinbase. Just remember that Coinbase charges you 4% fee for buying and selling of crypto. So if you guys want to trade on daily basis, then I would suggest you to use Coinbase Pro, where they charge you less than 1%. But in a regular Coinbase, it's 4%. So just keep that in mind. But hope you understand how you guys can buy Cardano. If you guys did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then, everybody. And don't forget to use our referral link as well.